Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Klaiyi Hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So let's get started. As y'all can see, she is a textured unit, so she isn't as silky. She does have some nice texture, some nice kink to her. So that is always a plus. The more natural the wig, the better. So that is all the fixings of the wig. This is what the hairline is giving. I love that side part, but baby, I'm gonna try for a middle part today. I do like the highlights in this unit. If you want, you can definitely wear her glueless. I did not glue her down when I did have her in the side part, but I will be adding some adhesive spray to her. Right now I am plucking. This is of course optional. You do not have to do this part. I do love the construction of this unit. I love that there isn't that many combs. I believe there was just only one comb on the nape, and then it had the drawstring, and it does have an adjustable straps. And it also does have that silicone lining in the wig as well. Right now I am gluing her down with my adhesive spray. I'm just making sure it is on my hair correctly. Mind y'all, I did not put any makeup on the lace, so this is what the lace is looking like. I wanted to give a fake little widow's peak a little bit, so to achieve that, I kind of just pinched the front of the lace really tightly, and then I go ahead and just lean her forward versus me actually plucking a widow's peak inside of the unit. I'm just pushing that hairline back so I can add that elastic band to melt her down. Like, y'all see the vision, right? Y'all see the vision. So I had to go in and put some layers on her. Just some face framing layers, nothing too crazy. The hair was so soft, and I am obsessed with this color. This color is so cute for the summer. Like, look how she flowing, y'all. So much body. I'm going in and cutting her on the other side. I'm going to straighten the back of her as well. I really love the body of this unit. She was just so flowy, just felt like a fresh blowout. She was so easy to put on. That is what she looks like in the back. So right now I'm going in and doing a quick little makeup look. And baby, when I mean quick, I mean quick. So this is my everyday go-to makeup look. I usually just play around with Juvia's Place. Of course, my foundation is NARS. The lashes is Kiss. My concealer is LA Girl. And everything else is Juvia's Place. And if you want anything more detailed or specific, just let me know in the comment section and I would definitely get back to you. And I believe that powder is Ben Nye as well. So as y'all can see, this is the final look. I definitely wanted to give y'all the whole look in the end. The pros I did have with this unit, she did not shed, she didn't tangle. I do love the colorway and I do love how she does hold a curl. She was such a beginner friendly wig and I definitely want to show you guys what she looked like in the sun, baby. The way she was moving out in the sun, like wow, this color looks so good in the sunlight. And if you want to go and pick her up, you can. I will keep y'all updated, or if you do want to update on this wig, please let me know in the comment section because I fear I will be wearing her throughout the summer, y'all. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.